Hello and welcome, my amazing friends. Today, we're going to talk about something that can completely change the way you speak English. Not just speaking English, but speaking smoothly, speaking with flow, speaking in a way that feels natural and confident. Many learners try very hard to learn English. They study grammar, they learn new words, they watch videos and read books, but when they speak, their words stop again and again. Their sentences break, their speech feels slow and heavy, and because of this, they feel nervous, they feel embarrassed. They feel that even after learning so much, they are not able to speak smoothly. If this is your situation, then this video is for you. Stay with me, because today, your thinking about English speaking is going to change. Many learners can understand English, but they cannot speak smoothly. Many learners can make sentences, but they cannot connect them easily. Many learners know what they want to say, but when they try to speak, they stop, they think too much, and their confidence goes down. This is very common. You are not alone. The biggest problem is not knowledge. The biggest problem is flow. When your speech has no flow, your English feels weak. When your speech breaks again and again, your listener loses interest. And slowly, you start losing belief in yourself. You feel that maybe English is not for you. But listen carefully. This is not true. Speaking smoothly is not a talent. This is a skill. And any skill can be learned with the right method and the right practice. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to speak fast like a native speaker. You only need to speak clearly, connect your words, and keep your speech moving. When you learn how to do this, your English will start sounding natural, your confidence will grow, and speaking will become easier day by day. Today, I am going to show you simple and powerful techniques that you can start using today. No confusion, no difficult rules, only practical steps. If you follow these methods daily, your speaking will become smoother, your mind will become faster, and your confidence will grow automatically. So stay focused and listen carefully. Trick 1. Stop thinking in your native language. This is one of the biggest reasons why your speaking is not smooth. When you think in your own language and then try to translate into English, your brain becomes slow. You stop, you think, you get confused, and your speech breaks. If you want to speak smoothly, you must start thinking directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. For example, I am sitting. I am eating. I am learning English. Speak these small sentences in your mind. Practice daily. At first, it feels difficult. This is normal, but slowly your brain will adjust. And when your brain thinks in English, your speaking becomes faster and smoother. Trick 2. Use simple sentences. Many learners try to speak big and complex sentences. They want to sound smart, but this creates problems. They get stuck. They forget words, and their speech breaks. Smooth speaking is not about difficult sentences. It is about clear and simple sentences. Instead of saying something complicated, say it in an easy way. For example, instead of saying, I would like to express my opinion regarding this matter, you can say, I want to share my idea. Both are correct. But the second one is easier and smoother. Practice speaking with simple sentences. This will improve your flow. Trick 3. Practice speaking without stopping. This is very important. Most learners stop after every sentence. They think too much. They try to be perfect. This breaks the flow. Instead, practice speaking continuously. Choose a simple topic like your day, your friend, or your goal. Speak for 1 minute without stopping. Do not worry about mistakes. Keep speaking. Even if you repeat words, it is okay. The goal is flow, not perfection. When you practice like this daily, your speaking becomes smoother and more natural. Trick 4. Learn to connect words. Native speakers do not speak word by word, they connect words. This makes their speech smooth. For example, I wanna go becomes I wanna go. Give me becomes gimme. When you connect words, your speech flows like water. Practice this. Take simple sentences and try to connect them. Say them again and again. At first, it feels strange. This is normal. With practice, it becomes natural. Trick 5. Train your mouth with repetition. Speaking is not only mental, it is physical. Your mouth needs training. If you do not practice speaking again and again, your mouth will not move smoothly. Take one sentence and repeat it 10 times. For example, I am learning English every day. Say it slowly, then say it faster. Repeat again and again. This builds muscle memory. And when your mouth is trained, your speaking becomes smooth automatically. Trick 6. Do shadowing practice. This is one of the most powerful techniques. Listen to a short audio, then speak with the speaker at the same time. Do not stop. Do not wait. Follow the voice like a shadow. This improves your speed, rhythm, and flow. At first, you may not catch every word. That is okay. Keep practicing. Slowly, your brain and mouth will work together better. Trick 7. Slow down your speaking. Many learners try to speak fast. They think fast speaking means fluent speaking. This is wrong. When you speak too fast, your words become unclear. You make more mistakes, and your confidence goes down. Speak a little slower. Focus on clarity. When you speak clearly, your listener understands you better, and your confidence grows. Speed will come naturally later. Now, understand this deeply. Smooth speaking is a combination of many small skills. Thinking in English, using simple sentences, speaking continuously, connecting words, training your mouth, and controlling your speed. When you practice all these together, your speaking changes completely. At first, it feels difficult. You may feel slow. You may feel uncomfortable. This is normal. Every new skill feels strange in the beginning. But if you stay consistent, you will see progress. Let me remind you again, do not chase perfection, chase progress. Do not stop because of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every time you speak, you improve. Every time you try, you become better. Confidence does not come first, action comes first. When you take action daily, confidence follows. Now, let me give you a simple daily routine. Spend 5 minutes thinking in English. Describe your actions in your mind, then speak for 5 minutes on any topic without stopping. After that, do 5 minutes of shadowing with a short audio. Then take one sentence and repeat it 10 times. This whole routine takes only 15 to 20 minutes. But if you do it daily, your speaking will improve faster than you think. Remember, you do not need hours of practice. You need consistent practice. Small daily effort creates big results. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start today. Start now. Even if you speak only a few sentences, it is okay. What matters is that you are moving forward. Speaking English smoothly is possible for you. You are not weak. You are not slow. You just need the right method and daily practice. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. Keep going even when it feels hard. Because one day, you will speak smoothly without thinking. One day, your words will flow naturally. And that day will come because of your daily effort. Your English will not change just by watching this. Your English will change when you practice what you learned today. So start now. Speak, repeat, improve, and never stop. Your smooth English journey starts today.